So guys, a very good afternoon, one and all. Yeah, I would want to request one thing. Although you people are on time, still like we are having complaints from the live classes that we are not starting by 2 o'clock. We are starting somewhere around 2:30. So we have not started by 2:30 at any point of time till now. For your kind information who are attending live classes, the 10 buffer of 5 to 10 minutes is usually because of the technical issues, and I hope you people are considering it. Okay, thank you. So guys, how's the Josh? Huh? Hiya. Louder, how's the Josh? Hi. You need to have high only in my class so that even I'll charge myself up. चलो बढ़िया बहुत बढ़िया श्रीहरि. So I think the homework, yeah, any doubts? No doubts, एकदम clear, crystal clear, like water from the jharnas, from the Himalayan jharnas. Huh? So I'll see in the test. Okay. So guys, what I will do is today I'm going to start with the indices. We will complete indices, and after that I will give you five questions from proportions and indices. We'll see how you people will be doing it. If the time is there, I will give you. If the time is not there, then that's okay. Anyhow, directly we'll see that in the test. Okay. So as you people are already knowing, we are doing our problems from the ICAI study text only. We are not using any other material. So please everyone open your ICAI study text, and there we go. I'm starting now. Talking about indices. So what is indices and why do we need this indices? Okay, so let me tell you like this. If I add 5 times, if I add 5 number for 10 times, so what it would be? What would be the answer? Like 5 hai, I'm doing it for 10 times ma. 5 power 10 now. Who is that? Smart fellow? Vivek? I am adding 5 number for 10 times. Means basically I will be writing 5 into 10. 5 plus so on, it will be equal to 50. So 5 into 10, that's how I'm gonna get 50. That's how I'm gonna get 50. Now my thing is, if I ask you to multiply 5 for 10 times, still maybe we will be doing it. If I ask you to multiply 5 for 20 times, for 50 times, for 100 times, then how will you cope up with it? So what you will do is, you will write it like this, 5 to the power 10, right? So basically you are considering a power, you are considering a exponent. So you are writing it in a particular format, and that format whereby you are putting these kind of stuff like a to the power n, this format is known as indices. This format is known as indices. Chalo, let me get into the technical terms now. So guys, you all can see over there on the board, it is already written. Indices in maths or mathematics is the power or exponent which is raised to a number. Technical language it is. Indices in mathematics is the power or exponent raised to a number. So in short, example I have already given over there as a to the power n, a being the base, n being the power or exponent or index. Okay, and you all can see I have written something for the power. What is a power? It is an expression that represents the repeated multiplication of value or an integer. Just now I have shown 5 into 5 into 5, so on, 5 to the power 10 karke. Okay, so this is what indices. This is the whole story of indices. I need not tell like my name is Shweta. Shweta is my name. People call me Shweta. Even I am referred as Shweta. A ki meaning ko I need not talk in 4 terms, right? So this is the simplest one you have to remember in technical, in also the local language. Alright. Now, very simpler language I have written above. Indices shows how many times a number or letter has been multiplied by itself. A very local language. So I hope what is indices. Now the reason why was it introduced? See, if you are having 2 square, you call it 4. If you are having 2 cube, you call it 8. If you are having 2 to the power 4, you call it 16. But suppose if it is 2 to the power 100, then what would you call? We don't know. We have to go on multiplying, na? Right? So what we do, rather than multiplying, we put it as 2 to the power n, 2 to the power 100. Okay? Now guys, there are few laws which I have written, laws of indices, and one thing I would like to tell you very clearly, this is the base of indices. If you miss anyone, you may miss the problem. If you miss anyone, you may miss the problem. Okay? So guys, have a look then. A to the power n is nothing but a into a up to n factors. A to the power m into a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. A to the power m divided by a to the power n is equal to a to the power m minus n. Now a to the power m to the whole power n, a to the power mn, you can multiply. And one point which I have written over there, the fifth one, a to the power m to the whole power n is not equal to a to the power m to the power n. There is a difference between fourth and fifth, and the difference is there of brackets. I said you na, we have done yesterday one problem, you remember, and I told very clearly brackets play a very important role in mathematics. Okay. Now sixth one is a into b to the power whole to the power n is nothing but a to the power n into b to the power n. Similarly, nth root of a is nothing but a to the power 1 by n. Nth root is, this is like this ma, like square root of a. Square root of a, can I write a to the power 1 by 2? Huh? Cubed root of a, can I write a to the power 1 by 3? Similarly, fourth root of a, can I write a to the power 1 by 4? We can write na, so it means that only. Very basic, these are very basic. We have already studied this in 7th, 8th, 9th standards. Now 8th one. If a to the power x is equal to a to the power y, bases are same, equate the powers. That's what we have done. Similarly, if x to the power a is equal to y to the power a, powers are same, equate the bases. 8th standard may we have learned this. How I remember, you know, once it happened that my teacher, she slapped me because I did not do a homework. I was a very spoiled brat. I never studied till my degree. Although I have done my BCom from Badruka, and then when I studied in Badruka, then Badruka was a very famous college. Almost all the CA, CS, CMA, all the professional students, they used to come to Badruka only. Very famous college. Abhi to almost it's gone, but then it was a very famous. But I was a spoiled brat. I never studied, so I'm telling you that. That's why I remember this. Our 8th standard mein she hit me karke. Now a to the power minus n is equal to 1 divided by a to the power n. If it is minus, you have to reciprocate it. Okay. Now a to the power 0. Anything to the power 0 is 1. Anything, बड़े से बड़ा equation क्यों ना रहने दो. If the power is 0, answer is 1. Okay. Now a by b to the power whole to the power n is a to the power n divided by b to the power n. Similarly, one point which it is important, the 13th one is not a law of indices. This I have given purposefully because we do have problems, we would be using the K method. You remember I was talking about K method yesterday, and I said I'm going to show you today how it is. I'm going to show you while doing the problems. So a to the power 1 by n is equal to k. Therefore, I can write a is equal to k to the power n. This obviously it has theorems and all which we need not prove over here. So you just remember a to the power 1 by n is equal to k. Therefore, a is equal to k to the power n. One more thing I'll tell you over here, ma. So guys, so this one thing I want to tell you, one more thing over here is a to the power n is equal to k. If a to the power n is equal to k, at that point of time, a would be equal to k to the power 1 by n. At that point of time, a would be equal to k to the power 1 by n. So I want you people to write this one more point extra in your laws of indices. Okay? It is required. And now 14th one, a by b to the whole power minus m by n is equal to b by a to the whole power m by n. Means basically minus sign is there. We reciprocate it, right? At that point of time, we get this thing. Am I clear? So guys, what I'll do is I'll give you some time. Just write it down and then we will revise it. We will, recite over here in the class and then only we will start with the. So I am just, you first write down this thing and then I'll just let me know when to scroll up. So guys, shall we start reciting? Shall we? Okay. So like what, will you go through it first? Chalo, go through it then. See, majorly 1 to 7 are very important. Very, very important. Remaining 8 to 14, we will use it as and when required. So chalo, repeat after me. A to the power m into a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. Multiplication means you need to have addition. Division means you need to have subtraction. So a to the power m divided by a to the power n is equal to a to the power m minus n. Similarly, a to the power m to the power n is equal to a to the power m into n. Now nth root of a is equal to a to the power 1 by n. And now this one, a into b to the whole power n is equal to a to the power n into b to the power n. Now if powers are equal, equate the bases. If bases are equal, equate the powers. Anything to the power 0 is always equal to 1. Okay, and if a to the power 1 by n is equal to k, then a is equal to k to the power n. I also asked you to write one more thing. A to the power n is equal to k, then a is equal to k to the power 1 by n. Okay, so just remember, you need not buttify. As and when we start doing problems, we will understand it. So guys, everyone open your ICAI material. So I hope you all can see clearly. 1 minute ma before I proceed further. So indices exercise 1C. I hope all of you have opened your study text. So exercise 1C from your ICI material chapter 1 subtopic 3. Okay? Or topic 3 directly we can tell. So question number 1. Guys, what I want you people to do is, I'm not sure if you people are very good with it or not. So I would be doing few questions. You would be just learning. I'll give you enough time to copy. You can copy then. But before that, you need to learn. Na? So first 10 questions I'm going to teach you. You will just learn. And if I feel that, chalo, you people know, you people can do it, bole to, then you people can start doing it. Okay. So question number 1. 4 into x to the power minus 1 by 4. So this is in the form of a to the power minus n. Can I write this as 1 divided by a to the power n? Yes. So similarly, I am not touching 4. 4 being what? It is a constant. Xy being variable. 4 being just a number, it's a constant. So you hardly touch constant. Okay. So x I can write it as divided by 1, sorry, into 1 divided by x to the power 1 by 4. So can I write it like this? 4 divided by x to the power 1 by 4. Do we have that option? Option C. So I would be just using the loss and nothing else. Am I clear? Now second one, the value of 8 to the power 1 by 3. 8 to the power 1 by 3, what we have to do is we have to simplify always. Okay. So we have to think about how to simplify. So 8, can I write it as 2 to the power 3 into 1 by 3? Which form it is basically? A to the power m to the power n. So a to the power m into n. Right? 3, 3 cancel. Answer is 2. 3 Hari, are you getting? Anchika, non-maths people specifically. Now third one, value of 2 into 32 to the power 1 by 5. Guys, basically 2 to the power 2 is 4, 2 to the power 3 is 8, 2 to the power 4 is 16, 2 to the power 5 is 32, 2 to the power 6 is 64. Matlab you get this only when you practice it. I can simply tell you by looking at what it is karke, but you will get only when you practice. So 32 I can write it as 2 to the power 5 because I need to get in terms of 5, then only I can cancel na power. So here I would be writing 2 into 2 to the power 5 into 1 by 5. This gets cancelled. So 2 into 2 answer is 4. Is it easy? Good. Now next fourth one. The value of 4 divided by 32 1 by 5. So 4 divided by 32 1 to the power 1 by 5. Can I write it as 2 to the power 5 into 1 by 5? 5 gets cancelled. Now 2 ones are 2 twos are. Answer is 2. Okay. Now next fifth one. The value of 8 by 27 to the whole power. Very good. Very good. So 8 by 27 to the power 1 by 3. I can write 8 as 2 cube. And then I can put 1 by 3. That is in this manner. A by b to the power n is equal a to the power n divided by b to the power n. Similarly, 3 cube to the power 1 by 3. 27 is 3 cube, 8 is 2 cube. Cancel. You are left over with 2 by 3. Is it easy indices? It's easy. Now sixth one. Value of 2 into 256 to the power minus 1 by 8. Right? Can I write this as 2 divided by 256 to the power 1 by 8? I can write it. Means I need to find a base whose power can be 8. It means simply that only, no? So 256 is nothing but 2 divided by 2 to the power 8 into to the power 1 by 8. So 8 gets cancelled. Answer is 2 by 2. So what would be the answer? 1. Simple. So I hope you are understanding how we are doing it. Very nice. Chalo now seventh one. 2 to the power 1 by 2 into 4 to the power 3 by 4. So 4 ko what I can write? 2 square. See, what I have to do is I need to have the equal basis. Same basis I need to have. Then only I can add or subtract. Na? a to the power m into a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. है ना? So this is 1 by 2 as it is. Here I can write 2 to the power 2 to the power 3 by 4. So basically 2 to the power 1 by 2 into 2 to the power I can multiply, or what I can do? I can simplify. Vivek, very good. So 2 ones are 2 twos are. So this will be 3 by 2. Now here it is a to the power m into a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. So answer is 2 to the power 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2. What would be the answer? 2 to the power 4 by 2. 1s are 2s are. So 2 square answer is 4. Very good. 2 square answer is 4. Right? What ma? Acha, acha. So it's obviously a positive integer. It is not a fraction anyhow. Now 8 to 1. So guys, you all can do the problems till 1 to 7 and do the 8 to 1 and tell me then. Will you do it? If you want, you copy or do it on your own and then tell me the 8 to 1 answer. I advise you to do it on your own. Screen is already there. But if you do it on your own in your books, you may learn more quickly. Na? Never copy. That would be my advice to you always. If you are not getting, then you can have a look. These are very, very important for the mathematics calculation. This is the base of mathematics. Are you all getting ma? Good. Let me know when to proceed further. Those who are done till 7, do the 8th one and answer me. 81 is 3 to the power 4. What happened, my doubt? Done till 7, everyone? Yes, ma? 13th when you're done with 7, 8, I mean 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Very good. Girls are fast these days, I must admit. Shall I start with the 8th? Did you all get the 8th? Guys, even if you people have done, I would be doing it because there are few students online, right? Live hai na, so I would be doing it. If you have any doubts, you can just have a look over here. So 81, I can write it as 3 to the power 4. X, I can write it as to the power 4. Now the whole to the power 1 by 4 divided by y is minus 8 to the power 1 by 4. So to the power bol to directly I can into na. It is like this. So a to the power m into n. So ones are twos are. So here in denominator I am left over with y to the power minus 2. 1 minute. Y to the power minus 2 and here 3 to the power 4 into 1 by to the power 1 by 4, 4 cancels. And then x to the power 4 to the power 1 by 4 again 4 cancels. So 3x. Now can I write it as y to the power minus 2? I have to reciprocate it, right? So can I write it as 3x divided by 1 by y? Y goes to the numerator. So it is 3xy. Do we have the answer? Option is none of this. Answer is 3xy. Okay. Those who have not done, you can copy. Those who have done, you can proceed further and do the next problems. And just let me know once you people have copied. Guys, time management is very important, Ray. Exam. So now you people might have synced yourself into the CA Foundation program. Now you should train yourself to be quick. Am I going fast? Ninth one, it is x to the power x to the power a minus b into x to the power b minus c into x to the power c minus a. It is a to the power m into a to the power n into a to the power o. So a to the power m plus n plus o. This does not only satisfy with two terms but also with three terms, four terms and so on. So here I can write directly x to the power a minus b plus b minus c plus c minus a. So everything gets cancelled. So we are left over with x to the power 0. Anything to the power 0 is 1. Chalo. M minus n. You can take like that. Yes, yes, yes. Even you can do that. Answer will be 1 only. You can do any method, ma. Now 10th one. Value. This one, do we need to do first in the first place? Directly power is 0. Anything to the power 0 is 1. We need not do only. है ना? Vivek, are you getting? Now 11th one. This one we have to simplify. Guys, we need to be reading the question very clearly and properly. Okay. So let me write over here. This is 3 to the power 3 to the 6, right? Can I write directly? 3 to the power 6 into 4 to the power 6 into 5 to the power 6 divided by 3 to the power 6 into 4 to the power 6 into 5 to the power 6. Answer is 1. So actually, you know what it happens? Answers are very simple. We have to just understand the question. You know, there was an accounts paper once. I think it was some 3-4 years ago. Students, they studied everything. And then there was a time of examination. On the day of examination, when they went to write the exam, almost everyone were like, paper is so tough, so tough, so tough. Actually, it was not tough. You know what happened? They gave very long questions, tiny answers. The questions were too huge, but the answers were very short. अब एग्जाम में what we do? अरे भाई टाइम वेस्टिंग है, लेट अस डू इट इन द एंड करके अपन क्या करते हैं, छोड़ देते है ना, एंड दैट्स हाउ वी लूज मार्क्स. तो इसीलिए व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, go 15 minutes prior to the examination timings, read full question paper, and then you would be very clear what you have to write, what you have to skip. Okay. Now 12th one. Which is true? You people tell me which is true. Anything to the power 0 is 1. So 1 will always be equal to 1. So option would be only C. है ना? 1 cannot be greater than 1. 1 cannot be less than 1. Theory ఏమైంది? What happened? Smile. I want answers from you. Hey, what is your name, Ray? Sangmesh. You? Rakesh. Nagesh. So now 13th one. Here this is the one it comes. X to the power 1 by p is equal to y to the power 1 by q is equal to z to the power 1 by r. Now x comma y comma z is equal to 1. What is the question they are asking? What is p plus 2 plus r? Listen carefully everyone. K method it is. Okay. So I put this as 1 minute before I proceed further. I put this as K. I will just highlight it, this part. I am putting this as K. Matlab everything is equal to everything which is equal to K. Huh? Now talking about this? Can I write x to the power 1 by p is equal to k? And there is one law we have written. What it is? X is equal to k to the power p. I can write na? I can write. Now, Vivek, what are you doing? Your eyes should be here, not there. Question is also I've written na? So this also I can write y is equal to k to the power q. Now z 1 by r is equal to k. Therefore z is equal to k to the power r. What is the condition given? X, y, z is equal to 1. So what is x? What is y? X is k to the power p. Y is k to the power q. Z is k to the power r. So this is in the form of a to the power m into a to the power n. A to the power m plus n I can write. है ना? Now I can write k to the power p plus q plus r. 1 को can I write k to the power 0? Why am I doing it? I want the basis. I want the same basis. So I have to think out of the box. You have to think out of the box. Now bases are same. What you can do? Equate the parts. Therefore, P plus Q plus R is equal to 0. What are they asking us in the question? Same thing. Now guys, do this 13th one and 14th one is exactly like 9th one. So do 14th one also. Eighth one is exactly the same. Sorry, 14th one is exactly similar to 9th one. Only with an extra thing, which is the last one. Yes. So what answer you are getting, Ray? Option D. Option D. Yes, option D. I repeat, for the 14th one, it's exactly similar to 9th one. Only extra thing is there, that is the last term, y to the power minus a minus b. If you take minus common, you would be left over with. Are you getting? Everyone, you want me to do this one? Sure. Pakka na? So same like ninth one, except this is for the people who are live, who are online, except this part, y to the power minus a minus b, and the remaining part would be 1. So y, if I take common, it is a plus b. Therefore, I can write this as 1 divided by y to the power a plus b. Okay, option D it is. Now 15th one. True option is option A, because x is, a bit, x is 2 to the power 3, and then on the right hand side cube the root of x square. So I can write this as x square 1 by 3 to the power 1 by 3. So x to the power 2 by 3. Therefore LHS is equal to RHS, and in remaining all of the 3, C and D though obviously greater than and less than not considered because it is not equal. B wale mein you are having 3 by 2 on the right hand side. B1 mein you would be having x to the power 3 by 2 on the right hand side. Now you may get a doubt, ma'am, what if two options are true? At that point of time, the first option you have to choose. Earlier the better. Okay. Now 16th one. 16th one, na? Yeah. Simplified value of 16 into x to the power minus 3 y square into a to the power minus 1 into, sorry, minus 1, that is x, x is x to the power minus 3 na. This is x to the power 3, y to the power 2. This 1 into is there. Chalo, try doing it and tell me the answer. Simplify it. I'll wait for you. If you people are not getting, then I'm going to explain. The point behind making you people do is, the more you do is more you learn. If I do, I will learn. If you do, you will learn. So x to the power minus 3, I can write it as 1 by x cube, y square as it is. A to the power minus 1, I can write it as 1 by 8, x cube as it is. And y to the power minus 2, I can write it as 1 by y square. So I am cancelling the like terms. So I am left over with 2. Are you all done till 16? विवेक इतनी जल्दी कैलकुलेटर मत यूज करो, प्रॉब्लम होगा बाद में. I'll tell you which chapter is requiring calculator. Are you getting, Vivek? Seems difficult, huh? Sure. 17th one, 8 by 27 to the whole power minus 1 by 3. 32 by 243 to the whole power minus 1 by 5. 8 you can write it as 2 cube. 27 you can write it as 3 cube to the power minus 1 by 3. Similarly, 2 to the power 5, 3 to the power 5 minus 1 by 3. Power gets cancelled. Huh? Here I am left over with 2 by 3 to the power minus 1. Here I am left over with 2 by 3 to the power minus 1. Am I right? So basically I can write 1 divided by 2 by 3 into 1 divided by 2 by 3. So 3 by 2 into 3 by 2. Answer is 9 by 4. Hey, once check 18th one answer if it is D. 18th one is wrong answer. I'll tell you why it is. Shall I start with 18th one? So let me write the question properly in the first place. Flower bracket is given, a big bracket, x plus y to the power 2 by 3 into x minus y to the power 2 by 3. What it is given in the textbook? 2 by 3. Which textbook might is? Is it the new one? 2 by 3 or 3 by 2? Because the material which I have downloaded, even it is 2 by 3 over there. Yeah, even I have the same thing. Hey, listen. You need not confuse. The question has been taken from the previous textbook. Some of the textbook is having 3 by 2 and the other textbook are having 2 by 3. I'll tell you both the answers. If your textbook is having 3 by 2, then option C is the right option. If your textbook is having 2 by 3, then there would be no option over there. You tell me what answer is given backwards. Is it given as C? No, for the one which are having 2 by 3. Or D? See? So yours answer is wrong then. Matlab while changing the question, they did not change the answer. I'll tell you that. Don't worry. Okay, I'm gonna tell you both. Some textbooks are having 3 by 2, some are having 2 by 3. We would be doing 3 by 2, we would be doing 2 by 3 together. Okay? Okay? But in exam, you have to be very careful what they are asking. So this is x plus y and this is x minus y to the power 3 whole to the power 6. Similarly, if I want to draw the same thing, 1 minute, ma, I'll just copy the same. I want to copy this. Copy me. Okay. Now from tomorrow, I'm gonna use pad over there to use. So I'll just write over here with one change. x plus y to the power 2 by 3 into x minus y to the power 3 by 2, as few of the textbooks are having this. Similarly, divided by x plus y into square root of x minus y cube to the whole power 6. Chalo, let us do the second one. Second one is very easy. It off by just cancelling it. So, tell me one thing. The numerator will remain same. Yes or no? Now, in the denominator, can I write x plus y as 1 by 2? And this can I write as x minus y to the power 3 whole to the power 1 by 2. So can I write directly rather than writing like this? Can I directly write 3 by 2? And now why should I add in step? That's how we have to minimize steps in mathematics. So whole to the power 6. This taken off. And now can I write this as a to the power m by a to the power n as a to the power m minus n being my formula? So x plus y to the power 2 by 3 minus 1 by 2 whole to the power 6. So this would be with LCM if I do. This is 4 minus 3 by 6. I have taken an LCM. Am I clear? And then the answer would be x plus y to the power 1 by 6 into 6. 6 cancel, answer is x plus y, which is your option C. Am I clear this part, everyone? So option C is the right one if this is the question. Now, if you want to change the question, you change the question, but you have to also know this. So here, this part, everything I'll just write directly. X plus y to the power 2 by 3, x minus y to the power 2 by 3 divided by x plus y to the power 1 by 2, x minus y to the power 3 by 2. Now can you cancel over here? You cannot cancel, but we have to use the formula a to the power m divided by a to the power n is equal to a to the power m minus n. So I would be using the same x plus y to the power 2 by 3 minus 1 by 2, right? Now x minus y to the power 2 by 3 minus 3 by 2 to the whole power 6. Am I clear? Now this I can write it as x plus y to the power 1 by 6 we have just done now. So I am writing the same thing. Similarly, x minus y I have to take LCM 4 minus 9 by 6 to the whole power 6. Similarly, x plus y into 6 can I do directly? Cancelling. And here x minus y to the power how much? Minus 5 by 6 into 6. Cancelling. So here x plus 5 into 1 by x minus y to the power 5. So simplification part would be x plus y divided by x minus y to the power 5. The answer. Okay. So these are the both. Copy down the both. And you have to act in the exam according to the question. Once you people are done with this, the 19th one mark, and I would be waiting for your answer. Very nice. Boys, are you getting? So 19th one. You want me to do it? Boys, you want me to do? Write the question. 125 to the power 2 by 3 to root 25 into cube the root of 5 cube into 5 1 by 2. So of 125 I can write it as 5 cube into 2 by 3. 3 gets cancelled. Similarly, root square root of 25 I can write it as 5. Similarly, sorry, into I have written. Now this 5 cube into 1 by 3 again, cube the root, I can do that way. And then this is 5 to the power 1 by 2. So I'm left over with 5 square into 5 into 5 to the power 1 into 5 to the power 1 by 2. That's what na? So I can write it as 5 to the power 2 plus nothing bole to 1 only. 2 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 by 2. So what would be the answer? 5 to the power 4 plus 1 by 2. You have to do the LCM. Ma. So this would be 9 by 2. 4 to the 8 plus 1 by 2. 5 to the power 9 by 2. Those who are not getting, you can copy down. So 20th one, 21st one, 22nd one. Now they are asking us nice problems. Still challenge. There has to be a challenge. Right? You cannot be doing monotonous work. Na? बोर हो जाते हैं. Shall I start? I'm waiting for you all. Vivek, you started already? Good. Chalo, I'm starting now. Let me give you a tip. And the tip is you have to first solve the integral part and then go with the outer part. पहले अंदर का मैटर सॉल्व करोगे फिर कंट्री का करोगे. हाँ, घर में ही प्रॉब्लम है एंड यू गो ऑन सॉल्विंग द अदर्स बोले तो इट वोंट वर्क ना. So the same thing goes logically over here. 2 to the power 1 by 2 as it is. 4 can I write it as 2 square into 3 by 4? 8 can I write it as 2 cube into 5 by 6. 16 I can write it as 2 to the power 4 into 7 by 8. 32 I can write it as 2 to the power 5 into 9 by 10. And the all remaining parts are resting फिलहाल के लिए. So 2 ones are 2s are, 3 ones are 2s are, 4 ones are 2s are, 5 ones are 2s are. So this is 2 to the power 1 by 2, 2 to the power 3 by 2, 2 to the power 5 by 2, 2 to the power 7 by 2, 2 to the power 9 by 2, to the power 4, to the whole power 3 by 25. So what we have to do, add or subtract? Add. A to the power m into a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. Huh? So 2 to the power 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2 plus 5 by 2 plus 7 by 2 plus 9 by 2. What is the LCM? So 2, I need not worry only. This is very easy. 3 by 25. So 1 plus 3, 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 5, 9, 9 plus 7, 16, 16 plus 9, 25. Right? So 2 to the power 25 by 2 into 4. Now I am taking the outside one power. Right? So 2 ones are, 2 twos are. Answer is 2 to the power 50. Now again I am going to take the outside power into 3 by 25. 25 ones are, 25 twos are, 2 threes are 6. So answer is 2 to the power 6. Simple. Simple na it is? In fact, the same thing goes with 21 and 22 also. Try doing the integral part and then do the outer part. Shall I proceed further? Done every. Now 21st to 1. Guys, always remember reading the question should not be a mistake. If your question is in mistake, your solution will also be in mistake. So 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus x square to the power minus 1 to the power minus 1 to the whole power minus 1 by 2. Just now I said you have to solve the घर का matter and then go for the country solving wala thing. So it's like integral part क्या है? 1 minus x square to the power minus 1 to the power minus 1. So 1 divided by 1 minus x square can I write? Now this minus 1 would be as it is. Do not copy, just listen this part. Again minus 1 would be as it is, minus 1 by 2. Am I clear? Am I clear? Now again I have to solve. So LCM I would be taking 1 minus x square minus 1 divided by 1 minus x square to the power minus 1 to the whole power minus 1 by 2. Can I cancel minus 1 plus 1? Yes, I can. So this gets cancelled. I am left over with 1 minus x square by 1 minus x square to the power minus 1 to the whole power minus 1 by 2. There is no trial and error for this. You have to be doing this method only. Okay. Now again I have to reciprocate it. Do I have to? Yes. So how will I do? 1 minus x square divided by minus x square the power minus 1 by 2. Now to the power minus 1 gone. Why it is gone? Reciprocated na. So I need not do it. Now I have to do LCM. Right? So minus x square minus of matlab minus 1 plus is x square. Minus into minus will become 1. Sorry, are you understand? Are you sure? Why did I write plus x square over there? Akkad paina, why did I write plus x square? Minus into minus. Pakka you are understanding na? Divided by minus x square to the power minus 1 by 2. So this gets cancelled. I'm left over with minus 1 by minus x square by minus 1 by 2. I can cancel. Now what I can write? 1 divided by x square, because I can put power over here, even I can put power over here. 2 gets cancelled. Anything to the power 1 is 1 only. So this will be 1 and this will be x to the power minus 1. I have to reciprocate it. So answer is x to the power 1 equal to x. Did you understand? Now I'm zooming it out. Just go through it and copy down. Let me know when to proceed further. I proceed further. Shall I start with 22nd one? Everyone done? Chalo. So I'm starting with 22nd one. X to the power n to the power n minus 1 by n to the power 1 divided by n plus 1. Now what I will do in the first place? Yes, a to the power m to the power n is equal to a to the power m into n. I'll do that thing. So x to the power n square minus n into 1 by n. I have to multiply na, cancel, and then divided by 1, sorry, to the power 1 divided by n plus 1. So x to the power n square minus 1 into 1 divided by n plus 1. Simple. We have to again multiply. Now 1 is nothing but, can I write it as 1 square? Is this in the form of a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b? Can I write in this form? 7th standard formula. So this is n plus 1 into n minus 1 divided by n plus 1. This both gets cancelled and we are left over with n minus 1. So what is the option? C. Copy down. A power m by? Yes, yes. But where will you use, ma? But why do you want to elaborate it? You have to simplify it. Now, if you do it, so you may not get the appropriate answer because n square divided by n plus 1 you would be left over with. Now, you got it, then well and good. Again, you will minus only. Then why do you want to repeat it? पहले आप multiply करोगे and then you will write in the numerator and denominator, then again you will subtract, है ना? तो 2 times हो गया, अलग ही क्यों करना है, इससे better do it. Guys, one thing you always remember, ma, you have to look into the steps which your solution very easy, simple and quick. Hmm? Comfort అంటే ఆహా नहीं but time अच्छा you can do it but then you have to make sure it is very less time consuming. So shall I proceed further? Now 23rd one. Guys, I repeat, you can use whatever you want. Just to make sure you are completing within 1 minute. Okay. 23rd one. This formula is given. You all can see the formula. It is given. But this formula we need not use, I believe. Why do we use this formula? Directly multiply the powers and you will get it. So just have a look, everyone. I'll first write the question. X to the power L by x to the power m to the whole power L square plus Lm plus m square into 1 minute. This. Again x to the power m by x to the power n So it is m square plus mn plus n square. Again x to the power n by x to the power l. So L square plus Ln plus n square. Guys, you know indices and surds. May you also have surds. So indices and surds are having n number of problems. Okay, problems, sorry, formulas. But I won't be giving you all those. That would be a utter waste of time. We know the basics. That's enough for us. Abhi, what I will do is I will directly multiply the formulas to the integral formula. So x to the power L cube plus L square, 1 minute, L cube, 1 minute, L cube plus L square m plus Lm square, numerator I have multiplied. Now denominator में can I put directly a to the power m by a to the power n is equal to a to the power m minus n. Can I write directly? Because we have been doing it till now, na, step by step. Now let us do it directly. So shall I write directly minus ml square minus Lm square minus m cube? Can I do that, Ray? Is it clear to everyone? So I cancel obviously this part, this part, this part and this part. Similarly, I have to do for the remaining two. When I do for the remaining two, I will be left over with x to the power m square m cube minus n cube. Similarly, again x to the power n cube minus L cube. So I do it similarly. Now this is in the form of a to the power m into a to the power n. So a to the power m plus n. So this would be x to the power L cube minus m cube plus m cube minus n cube plus n cube minus L cube. Cancel, 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 cancel. Anything to the power 0 is 1. Right? Simple. Copy down. After doing 23rd one, do the 29th part just after this. Exactly same. And your homework would be the illustrations before this exercise, because I'm pretty sure by the time we complete the exercise, we would be done with our today's time. So homework it is, you people have to do it. 29th one. Exactly same like 23rd one. Yes, answer would be 1. Same bole to same. It is only for your practice. Shall I start? So 24th one, you see they have given some formulae over there. It is not every time ki whatever the formula is given, we have to compulsorily use it. But there can be few instances where we have to use it, hai na? So guys, have a look over here. X is equal to P 1 by 3 minus P minus 1 by 3. If you want, you can go with trial and error method by substituting in each and every option. But do you have that much? No. So what I'll do is cube on both sides. So let us cube on both sides. Means x cube is equal to p 1 by 3 minus p minus 1 by 3 whole cube. Formula is already given. Let us use the formula. So p 1 by 3 to the power 3 cancel, right? Similarly minus p minus 1 by 3 to the whole power 3, again this cancel. Now minus 3 into p 1 by 3 into p to the power minus 1 by 3. Can I write it as 1 by p to the power 1 by 3? So that I can cancel this both, right? Into a minus b means p to the power 1 by 3 minus p to the power minus 1 by 3. Am I clear till here? Now listen carefully this part. This one I am just circling it. So this part, can I write it as x directly? So I'll write minus 3x. This is suppose 1. So from 1. Okay. Now here it is p minus 1 by p x cube. I put 3x that side. So x cube plus 3x is equal to p minus 1 by p. Which option it is? Option B. That's it. Not even a minute. Copy down, think about it and then write. 25th and 26th, I want to give you as homework. It is simplifying. Matlab we have done in 23, and then we have done, what I mean, whatever we have done previously. So you can do the 25th and 26th one. 26th, so it is very easy. 25th one, what you have to do is a to the power m minus a to the power n. You can write it as a to the power m by n. And then LCM you have to do it. And then you have to simplify it. So if the time is there, we'll do it. I'll make you people do. I'm not gonna do. I'll make you people do. Because if I do it, I'll learn. If you do it, you will learn. That's what I've been telling now. So you people have to do that because I want to make people learn. And the remaining part, I will do it. So 27th one, I'm writing the question. If you don't get, I will do it in tomorrow's class, 25th and 26th. But you people have to try must. X is equal to 3, 1 by 3 plus 3 minus 1 by 3. Now what are they asking us? 3x cube minus 9x they are asking. Right? So what is x cube ma? X cube is 3, 1 by 3 plus 3 minus 1 by 3. So basically from the above, what did you get as x cube? You can use the formula directly because in the exam above one will not be given. So that's why I'm using the formula. I could have done directly over here, but I'm not doing it. So if I use the formula, it is 3, 1 by 3 whole cube plus 3 minus 1 by 3 whole cube. There it was a minus, so you got minus everywhere except a plus b. Here it is a plus, you will just get plus. Okay. So it is plus 3 into 3 1 by 3 into 1 by 3 1 by 3 because minus 1 by 3 is I have to write in the denominator into 3 1 by 3 plus 3 minus 1 by 3. Am I clear till here? Now 3 cancel and this will become my x. So I'll write 3 plus 3 to the power minus 1 plus 3x. Can I write 3x? From 1. If this is my 1, I'll write from 1. Okay. Now I got x cube as this answer. Now what are they asking us to do? 3x cube minus 9x. So 3 into 3 plus 3 to the power minus 1. So 3 to the power minus 1, can I write it as 1 by 3 directly? So 1 by 3 plus 3x. Yeah. Plus 3x. Minus 9 into x. What is x given? 3 1 by 3 plus 3 minus 1 by 3. Right. So here what I can do is 9 plus 3 by 3 is how much, Ray? 1. So but still I'm writing plus 9x minus, can I write this as 9x directly? So that I can cancel this both. Now this will be 9 plus 1 which is equal to 10. So what is the option? B. Now you can copy down 27th one. It's very easy. It's very simple. Shall I proceed further? Now 28th one. So listen carefully, 28th one and 30th one. Similar kind of thing it is, but with a different totally logic. So a to the power x is equal to b to the power y is equal to c to the power z is equal to a. Guys, I cannot use k method over here because each and every term is not equal, na? And they are asking us x, y, z. So what I will do is, have a look, everyone. What I will do is, I know I'm gonna take this part first. So c to the power z is equal to a, right? So what is c? B to the power y can I write? From 2. From 2. C is b to the power y. Can I write this as b to the power yz is equal to a? Now what is b? 1 minute. I can write it as a to the power x to the power yz is equal to a. Now can I write it as a to the power xyz? No power means can I write it as 1? Bases are same, equate the parts. So xyz is equal to 1. Am I clear this part? Similarly, let me tell you the 30th one also. 2 to the power x is equal to 3 to the power y is equal to 6 to the power minus z. And now they are asking us 1 by x plus 1 by y plus 1 by z. Three of them are equal. Can I use k method? Yes, I can use. I put it as k. Okay. So 2 to the power x is equal to k. Means 2 is equal to k to the power 1 by x. This 1 by x na. This formula I have given you. Huh? Now, similarly, 3 to the power y is equal to k. So 3 is equal to y to k to the power 1 by y. Now 6 to the power minus z is equal to k. 6 is equal to k to the power 1 by minus z. Am I clear? Now, this 6 can I write it as 2 into 3 is equal to k to the power 1 by minus z. So what is 2? K to the power 1 by x. What is 3? K to the power 1 by y. This is minus 1 by z. Am I clear? Now, can I write it as k to the power 1 by x plus 1 by y is equal to k to the power minus 1 by z? Bases are equal. Equate the powers. 1 by x plus 1 by y is equal to minus 1 by z. So, 1 by x plus 1 by y plus 1 by z is equal to 0. That's what they are asking. The question answer is B. Am I clear, everyone? Now copy down this 28th one and 30th one. So guys, we are done with the class for today's session. Please make sure you people are doing your homework 25 and 26. Okay, and also your homework is for illustrations of indices. All the illustrations, you shouldn't even miss one. Okay, so similarly, I'm gonna check your books tomorrow, and if you have any doubt, we would be discussing tomorrow, and then we will start with the logarithm. Probably we'll complete logarithms tomorrow. Okay, now everyone. Please make sure you are studying at the same day, on the same day, so that at the time of exam you won't have any problem. And you will be having exam on Wednesday or Thursday. Confirmed date, I would be informing you beforehand. Okay, na? Chalo then bye everyone. Done for the day. Have a great day.